Hi, and welcome to Hands-On Education. Today we will find out about the history of football. Ball games were played by ancient civilizations over 2,000 years ago. They did not play the game of football in the way we know it today, however. Over 2,000 years ago in ancient China, Greece, and Rome, people played different ball games. The Chinese played a game called Chuju. They kicked a ball stuffed with goat's fur and chicken feathers. The game was played by soldiers to maintain their fitness. Roman soldiers played a game called harpastum. They used a small hard ball made from an animal's skin and stuffed with hair, feathers, or rags. The game involved grappling, pushing, and passing the ball by hand. In medieval England, mob football became very popular. The aim of the game was to kick a ball from one village to another. When two villages organised a match, however, huge crowds turned up to play and to watch, and fights broke out. The game caused so much trouble that in 1314 the Lord Mayor of London banned the game from the city streets. No one listened, however, and the game continued to go on. In the 19th century, small teams of boys began to play football in schools and colleges. There were no set rules, however, making it difficult for teams to play against each other. Some schools allowed tripping, whilst others allowed kicking in the shins. Some schools allowed players to pick the ball up with their hands and run with it. In 1863, a group of clubs met in London to agree on the first set of formal rules for the game, forming the Football Association. In 1888, the Football League began in England, and teams played each other at home and away, collecting points across a season. In 1904, countries joined together to form FIFA, the World Football Association, so they could organise games between national teams. During the First World War, many women took up work in factories. Almost every munitions factory had its own women's football team, and they played matches against each other. Big crowds came to watch the women's matches, but in 1921 the FA banned women's football from its pitches, saying football was unsuitable for women. In 1930, the first FIFA World Cup took place in Uruguay, and Uruguay won. The ban on women playing football in England was finally lifted in 1971. Although women were now allowed to play football, they were not encouraged, and the sport was viewed as a boys' sport. 20 years later, the first FIFA Women's World Cup was held in China. Today, football is played by men and women throughout the world. Although not equal yet, opportunities for girls and women to play continue to increase. A timeline puts historical events in order and can help us to see how the game of football has changed. For your hands-on activity, use images to create a timeline showing the history of football. You can also research the upcoming European or World Cup. For more information on how to develop your football skills, please go to handsoneducation.com football. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and we will see you soon. Bye.